What's up, everybody? Robert Sheppard again out at the church. We're going to do a quick walkthrough to show the progress. Again, we want to be a help to anybody out there that may be looking to start a church construction job, or maybe you're in the middle of a church construction job and you just need a little bit of help. Please don't hesitate to call on us, contact us, let us know how we may be a help to you. Please subscribe. We're going to have new content coming out periodically. Now let's get into the walkthrough. All right, out here in the back foyer, and we're going to start this walkthrough. We're just going to walk around, take you upstairs, see what's going on, just take a look at this progress. I think that's going to do it for our walkthrough. Again, if we could be a help to you, don't hesitate to contact us. Subscribe if you would to our videos and click that bell icon so that you can get updates. Thank you.